Grandma, I am hungry.
Wonderful. The kitchen is over there.
I walked to the kitchen yesterday. My legs still hurt.
You walked 3 steps.
Those were emotional steps.
Then emotionally cook dinner.
I cooked in 1987. It is your turn now.
That soup was so bad the cat moved away.
The cat wanted adventure.
The cat wanted survival.
Why are wives always angry before dinner?
Because husbands always appear when food is needed.
I can help.
Really?
I can watch you cook.
Wow. Such a hardworking king.
Thank you. Respect your chef supervisor.
Supervisor, last time you burned water.
That pot was too sensitive.
Even instant noodles fear you.
Cooking is dangerous. I must protect myself.
From vegetable.
Carrots are aggressive.
Fine. Let us order food.
Too expensive.
Then cook.
Too difficult.
Then starve.
Too painful.
Your life is full of problems.
Marriage gave me most of them.
Excuse me?
I mean blessings. Loud blessings.
Good answer. You may live another day.
I knew love would save me.
Love cannot save you from hunger.
Then let us eat cookies.
Cookies are not dinner.
Tell that to my stomach.
Your stomach has no standards.
It married your cooking.
Wow. Rude.
Sorry. Please make noodles.
No. Yesterday I cooked.
Yesterday you reheated soup.
That still counts.
Then today I will reheat air.
Delicious. Add some invisible chicken.
My favorite.
Why are men so lazy?
We are not lazy. We are energy-saving models.
You have not saved energy. You stored it forever.
I am preparing for old age.
You are old age.
That hurt my soul.
Your soul needs vegetables.
Fine. Let us cook together.
Last time we cooked together, the smoke alarm cried.
It was singing.
The neighbors called the fire department.
They overreacted.
The chicken was black.
That was modern art chicken.
Even the dog refused it.
The dog has expensive taste.
Grandpa, just make rice.
The rice cooker fears me.
Appliances should not fear humans.
This one saw what happened to the toaster.
You nearly burned the kitchen.
The kitchen survived. Strong kitchen.
I cannot believe this marriage.
Me too. Yet here we are, hungry together.
Okay, rock, paper, scissors decides who cooks. Fine. 1, 2, 3.
Ha! I win!
Wait, why did you throw spoon?
Because I am hungry.
That is not part of the game.
Old people make new rules.
Cheater! You always change the rules.
Let me handle this.
Fine, I will cook.
Wonderful! I knew love would win.
You are washing dishes afterward.
Suddenly I lost my appetite.
Too late.
Maybe we should just sleep hungry.
Maybe you should sleep outside.
Okay, I will wash dishes.
Good.
But if I disappear, remember me kindly.
I will remember you as the man who feared a frying pan.